Let's take a quick look at this HUANUO Triple Monitor ARM system, and we'll install it, and we'll throw 3 monitors on it. And these are with full articulating 2 arms on the sides and the middle VESA mount that can go up and down. And that is it. I mean, what else do you need in life? These are the cable management channels. Then we have a lot of screws and spacers, closing caps, cable management ties. Beautiful. I like that. Okay, we'll take them as we need them. Then we have this little middle monitor. This is for the middle. You mount the VESA, and the VESA goes on this. And oh, it looks like it has some articulation up and down too. Cool. I'm happy to see that. Then we have the holder mount here that we'll see in just a second. This goes on the middle and holds the 2 arms. Then we have the base clamp. This is what goes to your table, like this. And you can adjust the space here. Have one more hole. That means you lower these 2 here. And oh yeah, it has a lot of space. So that's not going to be a problem anytime soon. And of course, I don't need to assume. I'm just telling you right away that this base is telling you to be built first. So you put this first on the table, and then there should be like a tube somewhere here on the bottom, I think, that mounts on it, and that's it. And this is your middle pole that goes on the base that's on the table. Okay, these are all the pieces and parts you will actually need to make this installation possible. And with that, we're gonna go install it all and see where that goes. It should be fairly easy. And the VESA mounts, all 3 should be. Yep. So standard and small VESA, so you can have both. So I like these for one reason, is you can just mount this to the monitor and you don't need to hold the monitor against the arm at all. Just mount this to the monitor first and you just go slide the monitor on the arm. That's it. Look at that. They built it that nice and easy, just like this. Boom. Monitor stays there now. Really good. I like the ease of use they designed on this one. Okay, according to the book, you can either install it via this, you know, with a usual hole through the table. No, that I don't have that kind of mount, but you have the option if you want to. In my case, this will be installed the clamp way, just at the end of the table, and clamp this on the table. That's it. Let's go install it and see it installed with 3 working monitors. And no, they did not give me extra of these. These are 2. They go on each other like this. So this one goes towards the middle and this goes here, so you can twist the arm, and then you put the monitor arm on it, and as you see, you have a long space. That's the idea behind it. And that's how you install the clamp. It is solid. I can lift the table with this one. And that is it. You put that tube mount here that I'm gonna just screw in and then throw monitors at it. It is that easy. And this is the pole I'm talking about. You just thread it here, and then to the back of it you have an Allen screw here that you just tighten it so it prevents this from spinning and unthreading. And then just you put this one first, that spreads the 2 arms, and you put this one here and the other extension arm here, and then the middle monitor, just this mount here, they all have a little screw on the side that you can change the position if you need to. In this one I don't need to change the position because it's a big monitor, but in your case you just undo the screw behind here with the Allen key and that's it. Okay, and I'm just installing the VESA mounts appropriately how I want them to be positioned. So will be 2 vertical side monitors and a horizontal middle monitor, and we are ready to throw them in the arms. Look at that. Looks like I installed the robot right here, but we are ready to go now. So let's do this. And to install, that is very easy. This one has an orientation that's already predetermined by me, but all you have to do to install it is lift it and slide it right there. That's it. Now it is installed. Now you can put, there are screws in the bag here. Those screws now go on top here, so you can lock it in and it will not move, and then it makes it easier to twist and spin and all that stuff you want to do. And of course you can push it down wherever you want or need, because it's the gas piston in there. And that's it. Let me install the rest and you'll see the final results. And this is it before I turn it on. It looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Go up or down, back and forth, however you want it. Yes, you can rotate it, but in this setting here, I am planning to use it as you see it right now, because I need these two to be both on my sides for documents and notes and stuff like that. So this will be the setting, and that's it. It's that easy and simple. It actually looks really good. Now I could change the middle monitor up or down if I wanted to, but that is my perfect spot because I want to put the laptop here, microphone, and other peripherals. And let me turn on the machine and see what's going on here. And everything was easy actually. All the cable management was nice, and you can hide it, if I can show you, under here. As you see, those rails, all the cables go in them and come in the other side. And of course you can tighten or release these joints almost everywhere. One thing in here on this, like the gas piston here, you have screw right here. If you turn it towards the minus, you will make it easier to go up or down. So if you have a light monitor like this one here, if you have a heavier monitor that you want it to be stiffer, you turn it towards the plus and it makes it stiffer. And in the end, this is it. That easy and simple. So now I have enough space for peripherals, as I said. I can twist and turn monitors however I want. I can put this one as high as I wish or as low as I wish. And of course I can rotate it, but I want this setting to be my default because that's how this office is used. And that's it. Look at that. And it makes everything so organized except that cable that I forgot, but the rest of the cables there, I promise, they're put all in their own rails. So that's absolutely a beautiful piece in my opinion. And if you're a gamer, for example, you can have your chat just go somewhere up there towards the ceiling and have your game here and game recording here. Or you can put even the game recording if you wish so and have it completely out there. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look cool. Come on. That actually looks beautiful. Okay, well, besides that, what else do you want me to tell you? It is that nice. And this one here is a 32-inch. It's not a tiny monitor by any means. So it will fit as much as you want. And yes, on these monitors, let's say, for example, you want to put this further or closer to you or whatever. I still have space there, as you see. Look at the cable management that I'm telling you. I ain't lying. So yeah, it is actually that nice and easy to even install them. It's just a few screws and you are good to go. Really good job, gotta say. They did a good job on this one.